When considering whether to buy Articoolo, a popular generative AI software, there are a few important factors you should keep in mind. Articoolo promises to help you generate content quickly and easily. But before you hit the buy button, here are 12 key things you need to know. First, Articoolo offers automatic text generation. You simply input a topic, and it generates a full article based on that. While this is a major time saver, it's important to know that the quality of the content may vary. Unlike other AI tools like Jasper or Writesonic, which have been refined over time, Articoolo's outputs may not always meet the highest standards, especially for more complex topics. Next, the software does have a user-friendly interface, which makes it easier to use compared to other, more complicated tools. The setup is quick, and you don't need any technical skills to get started. However, it lacks some advanced features that competitors provide, like extensive customization options or integration with other platforms like WordPress. The third thing you should know is that Articoolo provides fairly good speed in generating content. If you're looking for quick drafts or ideas, this could be a great option. However, don't expect the same level of sophistication as you'd find with premium tools. While it works well for simple blog posts, it may struggle with highly nuanced or creative tasks. The fourth thing to consider is its pricing model. Articoolo has an affordable starting plan, which makes it accessible for individuals or small businesses. That said, for businesses looking for large-scale use, the pricing could become more expensive than alternatives like Copy.ai or Writr, especially when you factor in the need for higher-tier plans for better output quality. Fifth, the customer support Articoolo offers is decent, but it's not as responsive or comprehensive as some higher-tier competitors. So if you're someone who values quick customer service and detailed assistance, you may want to think twice. Next, Articoolo allows you to generate content in multiple languages, which is useful for global users. However, the quality of content in languages other than English may not always be as accurate or well written. Some of its competitors offer more robust multilingual support and refinement. Another point is that Articoolo uses algorithms based on predefined templates. While this helps generate content quickly, it can make the writing feel a bit generic. Some of the more advanced AI tools out there offer content that's more creative and less formulaic. The eighth thing to consider is plagiarism. While Articoolo ensures that its content is original, it's always a good idea to double-check the output, especially if you're producing high-stakes content like academic papers or marketing copy. In this regard, competitors like Grammarly or Copyscape offer more comprehensive plagiarism checks. The ninth thing you should know is its limited SEO functionality. While Articoolo helps you create content, it doesn't provide advanced SEO optimization features that some other tools like Surfer SEO or Phrase offer. If search engine rankings are crucial to you, you may want to look elsewhere for tools that provide more targeted keyword integration. The 10th thing to consider is the flexibility of Articoolo's templates. While the templates can be useful, they might not be customizable enough for those looking for highly personalized content. Some competitors offer more creative freedom or the ability to tailor the templates to your specific needs. Next, Articoolo doesn't integrate as easily with third-party apps or plugins, which can be a deal breaker for users who need seamless integration with tools like Google Docs, Trello, or social media platforms. On the other hand, other tools like Jasper or Copy. AI provide better integration options for a more streamlined experience. The 12th thing to mention is its scalability. If you plan on scaling your content generation needs, Articoolo might not be the most effective choice. Larger operations may find more benefit from tools like Jarvis or Writesonic, which offer better scalability in terms of volume and versatility. In conclusion, Articoolo is a good generative AI tool for personal or smaller scale use, especially if you need quick content generation. However, if you're after higher quality, more customizable content with better customer support and scalability, you might want to explore our recommended solution, which you can try for free.